Hey guys, first take up here. Welcome back to my channel. I know by now some of you might have written down your New Year resolution and are ready to embark on it, while there are some of you that still haven't figured it out yet. Now let me help you. What is that skill you've been procrastinating about? Yes, I'm talking about that career path you've always wanted to take since last year. Is it data science? Is it data analysis, cloud computing, or could it be any tech related skill? Now this is 2024. Acquiring a certification shouldn't be that daunting as long as you have the right approach and determination. The internet and technology is becoming a norm in today's world. For me, I feel it is necessary for one to get his or herself equipped with one or two tech skills, and I tell you, it is essential to do so today. Let's face reality. As you can see in the world of today, tech is taking over and almost everything has gone digital. We even have robots that will deliver food to your doorstep, AI that checks your health and solve more complicated issues. So you see, having a tech skill is really important in today's world. Now, if you want to make money, if you want to turn things around for yourself, I believe this is the right video for you. Did you know that you can make more than $1,000 monthly if you take advantage of what I'm going to share with you right now? And guess what? It is very simple. All you have to do is become a tech nerd, get yourself a job in tech, and earn good money monthly. Now, to help you kickstart this journey, I want to introduce you all to Utiva. But before we go further, let me give you a little insight about Utiva. Utiva is the best online learning platform that is designed to help you become skilled with modern technology, improving your creativity and staying effective in the rapidly changing digital world. Whether you're a beginner trying to advance or a newbie that is willing to discover a new field, Utiva is the ideal destination for you. So guys, this platform empowers you to take control of your career and unlock new opportunities. Utiva provides quality and affordable programs which include cloud computing, software development, data science, data analytics, business analysis, product management, product design, cyber security, and the list goes on and on. The good thing here is that you'll be coached by top experts and you don't even have to worry about going to any physical campus or class to learn. You can do all of this virtually within the comfort of your own home. Guys, all you need is a smartphone or a desktop computer and a good internet connection. With this, you should have more confidence in whatever subject you wish to explore on this platform. Utiva offers an extensive library of material and video-based learning environment. Through the use of hybrid learning approach, students can carry out quite a few projects, tests, and also have the chance to receive feedback, career coaching, and mentorship in real time. One of the reasons a lot of people choose Utiva is its cost-effective tuition, meaning it is very affordable. Secondly, they focus more on courses that are relevant and in demand. They also have a strong alumni network, mentoring support, and coaching opportunities for learners. They will review your CV for you, help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. You will have access to Upskill Live where you get jobs and internship updates. And the best part, the certificate that they will give you once you finish your course is UK accredited and globally recognized, meaning you can work in any part of the world remotely and earn good amount of money monthly. With a Utiva certificate, you are sure to get recommendations and reference letters for easy job employment. Moreover, Utiva has established remarkable global partnerships, including collaborations with esteemed tech companies such as Microsoft, HP Foundation, Facebook Accelerator, and many others that I cannot list them right now because I don't want this video to be too long. What that means is that with this partnership that they have with these tech companies, you can be easily hired if you show up with a Utiva certificate. Guys, there is no time and limit to this. Anyone can actually do this. And I tell you what, people with tech skill today are the ones in high demand. So use the link displayed here or click the link in the description box and register with Utiva and get yourself that tech skill that will turn things around for you. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a like and share this video. You don't know who this might be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification. And I guess I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye-bye.